Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily manage audible tone settings on your Canon i-SENSYS MF657Cdw. So first, what you guys want to do is let me log out and show you. We need to go over to the main page of our printer, basically the remote UI. Let's click on System Manager mode and enter our remote UI access pin. So here we have my pin, it's 1234. Yours might be different. If it is different, then you guys can set a new one in the printer settings. So let's just click login, and here let's click on the settings and registration. Now here let's go to sound volume control, and we will have a dedicated tab for all of these audible tones. Let's click on edit, and here, as you guys can see, we have the audible tone settings: entry tone, invalid entry tone, restock supplies tone, warning, job done, energy saver alert, and original in feeder detection tone. So I always turn off the entry tone and the invalid entry tone. So basically those two are off always. Restock supplies tone, I keep it on. I've used this printer for a while now, and those are my settings. The rest is basically on except for energy saver alert. So that's basically how my settings look like. I'll just click OK now, and here they look like this. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.